Can I manage my own escrow? After you purchase your home, the escrow is the additional fund that covers your homeowner's insurance as well as property taxes. These are funds that are paid throughout the year at the different times, whether it's when your homeowner's insurance policy is due or when property taxes are due. You might want to manage the escrow yourself. Question of the day is, can I manage my escrow? Here are a few questions to determine if you can manage your escrow yourself. Did you put 20% down whenever you purchased your home? If you did, you probably have the option to manage your escrow yourself. If you didn't put 20% down, the lender will most likely have a requirement that you have at least 20% equity in your home. Some lenders actually require 25% equity. Be sure to check with your lender and see what their requirements are. When you manage your own escrow, you have a couple of options. You could either pay your insurance bill and your property tax bill as they come, or you can open up a separate bank account and contribute funds to it monthly, so that way you can manage your monthly expenses on your own. Depending on your financial budget, you may get those end-of-year bonuses, and it may be easier for you to pay them as they come. But if you're like me, I like to budget for mine. My name is Michelle Allen, and I understand that escrow is different for everybody. What may work for me may not work for you. However, I invite you to explore and determine what works best for you and your monthly finances. In the meantime, if you have any questions about escrow or any more detailed information that you might want, feel free to reach out to me.